It's Karen D here, the Twitchy Stitcher, and this is an unboxing video. This is my Lowery stand. I ordered the Lowery stand with the regular side attachment, the extra arm, the device holder, and the corner bracket. So this is the box, and as you can see, all I've done is taken off the craft paper wrapping. So this is it, and if you stay tuned for the whole video, I am going to show you the setup and how it works. So, oops, more paper. Okay. This is the corner bracket. So your hoop is going to go in there. This is heavy, folks. Okay. The extra long sidearm, very sturdy. Okay. The regular side bracket. The Lowery stand. The device holder, and this is for the tablet, not for the phone. And I imagine we'll figure out what those are in the setup. Now, where's the plate? Here it is. One very heavy solid base plate. So, and the all-important instructions. So I'm going to put you on pause for a minute, and then we're going to show you the setup. Okay, folks, we're back now, and I've got it all set up. Now, I have it on the extended arm, and I have the device holder set up with my tablet set to pattern keeper, and I have the corner bracket on. The reason I ordered the corner bracket is because I'm two-handed stitcher, so this hand is always on top, and I tend to knock it on the side attachment. So I got the corner attachment so it would be out of the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing this around so you can see the setup. Oops. And that's the setup right there. You can see the device holder, the corner bracket, and stitching slanted at the exact view I like it, and it's all ready to go. So that's a wrap. So thanks for hanging out with me for a minute, and thanks to Sarah, my daughter, who's the videographer for the day. So have a nice weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.